Today we are sharing the recipe for a potato cake. Let's see how it works. First, we peel off the potatoes. Potatoes must be larger, or prepare a few more. Otherwise, it's not enough to eat. Wash the potatoes after peeling. Then cut it on one side of the potato first. Then put the potatoes on the chopping board. We're safe to cut. Slice the potatoes thinly. It's easy to steam. I've discovered that potatoes are truly an amazing vegetable. Both adults and children love to eat, and you can't get tired of eating it. We put the cut potatoes on a plate, gradually remove the unevenness. This is convenient for heat collection. Arrange and put in the steamer. After the water boils, turn to medium and small fire to steam the potatoes. During this time period, let's prepare little side dishes first. Prepare peas for $1. Do not remove the pea seeds inside. One of the advantages of this delicacy is that the ingredients can be matched at will. If you think it is nutritious, you can add it. Pour peeled peas into water. Now wash the peas. Then put it on the plate for backup. Next, we prepare small pieces of carrots. Slice them up, cut as thin as possible, and we cut that into filaments, and then finely chopped. Cut it up and pack it with diced peas for later use. Prepare another half onion, slice them up, and then diced onions. We can soak the onions in light salt water for a while before cutting them. This way, the onions will not be spicy to the eyes when cut. Cut it and put it on the plate for later use. Now prepare a few shallots and cut them directly into scallions. Cut it and put it on the plate for later use. Finally, we prepare pork hind legs for 50 cents. Slice them up. Cut into small pieces. Finish with a smaller chop. The particle size depends on the taste you like. Cut it and put it on the plate for later use. It's time to steam the potatoes. Let's open the lid and see. It can be easily rubbed through with chopsticks. Now pour the potatoes into a larger bowl. Use a handy tool to press the potato chips into mashed potatoes. Fork or rolled noodle sauce can be used, which is very easy to try to press it as delicate as possible. Like this is good. Put it aside for later use. Now boil water in a pot. The fire is burning. Then we put the diced peas and carrots in and blanch for a minute. Blanch peas and carrots until dead. Now control the water, remove it, and put it on a plate for later use. Then burn oil in the pan. After the oil is hot, we put the minced meat in. Fry the minced meat until it changes color. Then we put the diced onions in and stir fry evenly. And then you take the carrots and the peas. Just stir fry evenly. Don't put the seasoning yet. We have to do the ingredients again later. Just fry the incense like this. Turn off the heat and get out of the pot. Pour into mashed potatoes. Then put in the cut scallions. Then add a spoonful of salt to taste. A little pepper. Add a spoonful of light soy sauce. Stir well with chopsticks. Make all the seasonings in the bowl taste evenly. And we mix them and we add potato starch in small amounts and several times. Join in bit by bit multiple times. This makes it easier to grasp the water content. Just stir it into such a paste. First, add a little sesame oil to the bowl to make it fragrant. Then start kneading. Smooth the mashed potatoes. So this is good. If it feels too thin during the process, then add a little more potato starch. We take a small ball and put it in our hands and rub it round. Then press lightly. Just like this. When the shape of a small cake is done, put it on a plate for later use. We add a little cooking oil to it. Then brush it evenly with a brush. Then add the hash browns. Fry slowly over low heat. Fry for about 2 minutes on each side. We have to keep turning the hash browns, because pies like this are marinated and browned. Continue to fry for 2 minutes. It pastes very easily, so don't bother. Otherwise, it will affect the taste if it is fried. It's ready to go. Load to disk. Let it cool a little and you can enjoy it. I put less flour. The taste is closer to mashed potatoes. You can add the right amount of flour according to your preference. The more flour you put in, the harder the cake tastes. It was delicious.